Royal Machine & Tool developed their modular chain fixture design in the late 1980s, answering a demand in the valve industry to provide a fixture capable of holding a wide size variety of valve bodies in a single setup. Today, there are hundreds of these fixtures still in use, both here and overseas. This includes many special offshoots made for specific applications. It's proven to be a rigid, dependable, quality fixture, virtually indestructible. Royal's family of modular chain fixtures range from 300 millimeters to 1,250 millimeters. Looking at the chart for these models, reference RM7062, you can see the larger variation of valve sizes each model can accommodate in both the B and C adjustments. Before we get started, we want to ensure the V-jaws are on center. With the rail assembly in front of you, identify the left-hand bushing. It is usually the one that protrudes out in the V-jaw block. Once you determine the left-hand bushing, loosen the 2 hex bolts on the jaw clamp. Then, loosen the socket set screw under the hex bolts. Place a qualified size block between the screw anchor block and V-jaws. Adjust the right-hand V-jaw to secure the size block. Then, secure the other size block using a 2-prong special wrench as shown. Now the V-jaws are on center. Tighten the set screw and lock the V-jaw clamp. Now we'd like to demonstrate just how simple it is for the operator to adjust the fixture to a particular valve to be machined. We'll start with how to adjust the V-rails. First, we loosen the 2 socket cap screws and these hex screws. Then, lift the stepper pin and rotate 90 degrees. Next, slide the rail in or out to the desired location. Rotate the stepper pin 90 degrees and insert back down into the rack. Then, repeat the procedure for the other V-rail. Now that the stepper rails are in position, we want to adjust the V-jaws to their proper location. We first loosen the 4 hex head screws. Insert the appropriate square drive extension with a ratchet into the end of the adjustment screw on either side of the rail assemblies. Adjust the V-jaws either in or out to the desired position, tighten the 4 screws, and repeat for the other rail V-jaws. Next, loosen the set screw and push the pivot hook shown here up against the V-jaw. Then repeat this last procedure for the chain anchor and retighten the set screw. Positioned in the center of the fixture plate is the adjustable bonnet support. This can be adjusted to the desired height. Simply loosen these hex screws and slide the bonnet assembly to its desired position. Then loosen the socket set screw on the bonnet support and turn the threaded ring to raise or lower the bonnet support to the part. Next, loosen these hex screws and adjust the chain length. Tighten the hex screws when positioned properly. Then, tighten the socket set screw and clamp the part. This procedure is repeated for the other side. We then position the workpiece in the fixture and adjust the chain jaws and tighten. Lastly, slide the chain end in the pivot hook and tighten the hex nut until the workpiece is secure. From this demonstration, you can see the versatility that is built into this fixture. This is a simple clamping method taken to the top level in size, range, clamping, and quality.